Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today's topic is Roman numerals. We have already learnt about the Indian and international system of numeration. There is another numeration system called system of Roman numeration. This is one of the oldest system of numeration developed by Romans and is still in common use. Roman numbers did not have zero and so they did not have the concept of place values. Okay? In this system of numeration, 7 basic symbols are used for writing the numerals. And these symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, M or K. Okay? I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. K is also used to denote 1000. Okay. I stands for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M or K for 1000. So these 7 symbols are used for writing the numerals in Roman numeration. With the help of these symbols, we may write any number in Roman numerals. Okay? With the help of these symbols, we can write any number in Roman numerals, but we need to follow some rules. There are some rules to write Roman numbers. Now comes rules for writing Roman numerals. First rule is when a smaller number is placed on the right of bigger letter, it means addition. Okay, when a symbol of smaller value is placed on the right of bigger letter, then we add the values. Here see, this is V and this is I. V means 5, I means 1 and symbol of smaller value is placed on the right of symbol of bigger value. So what we will do, we will add the values. This is 5 and this is 1, so it will be 6. Okay, so Vi means 6. Here also see, this X stands for 10 and L stands for 50 and the symbol of smaller value is placed on the right of symbol of larger value. So what we will do, we will add the values. So it will be 50 plus 10, which is 60. So Lx means 60 and Vi means 6. So this is the first rule for writing the Roman numeral, that is when a symbol of smaller value is placed on the right of symbol of larger value, then we add the values. Second rule is when a smaller letter is placed on the left of the bigger letter. In rule 1, the smaller letter was placed on the right of the bigger letter, and in rule 2, when a smaller letter is placed on the left of the bigger letter, that means subtraction. We subtract the values. See this example, I stands for 1 and V stands for 5 and the symbol of smaller value is placed on the left of symbol of larger value. So what we will do, we will subtract the smaller value from the larger value. Okay, so it will be 5 minus 1. This is 5, this is 1. So we will subtract 1 from 5, which is 4. See this, Ix. I stands for 1 and X stands for 10 and the symbol of smaller value is placed on the left of symbol of larger value. So what we will do, we will subtract the value. So it will be 10 minus 1, which is 9. And remember few things, that I can be subtracted from V and X only. I को हम सिर्फ V और X में से ही subtract कर सकते हैं, हम इसे L, C, D, M में से subtract नहीं कर सकते. Okay, I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. X को हम सिर्फ L और C से subtract कर सकते हैं. See this example, XL. XL means L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. So it will be 50 minus 10, which is 40. And XC, C stands for 100, X stands for 10. So it will be 100 minus 10, which is 90. And we can subtract X from L and C only. not from D and M. Okay, x can be subtracted from L and C only. And next is C can be subtracted from D and M only. C को हम सिर्फ D और M से subtract कर सकते हैं. CD means 500 minus 100 which is 400, and CM stands for M is 1000, C is 100, so it will be 900. Okay, so these are some important points, that I can be subtracted from V and X only, X can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. These are the two rules. Next comes rule third. Third rule is repetition of letters means addition. अगर आपके letters repeat हो रहे हैं, that means addition. We will add the values. Okay, and a symbol can be repeated a maximum of 3 times in a numeral. सिंबल को हम मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम 3 टाइम्स रिपीट कर सकते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा बार रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, रेपिटेशन ऑफ लेटर मीन्स एडिशन. अगर रेपिटेशन हो रही है आपकी लेटर्स की, तब हम क्या करेंगे, हम वैल्यूज़ को ऐड कर देंगे. और सिंबल को हम मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम 3 टाइम्स रिपीट कर सकते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा बार रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, एंड V, L एंड D कैन नेवर बी रिपीटेड. जो हमारे सिंबल्स V, L एंड D हैं, इन्हें हम कभी भी रिपीट नहीं करते. ओके, V, L एंड D कैन नेवर बी रिपीटेड. See this example. Here x is repeated thrice. So what will be its value? Its value will be L stands for 50, x stands for 10, and there are 3 tens. So we will write 10 3 times and it will be 80. Okay, because here x is repeated thrice, so we will add the values, so it will be 80. If we have this I 3 times, so we will add the values, it will be 3. And if we have x, I, see x is repeated thrice, I is repeated thrice, so we will add the values, it will be 10 plus 10 plus 10, and 3I means 3 ones, so it will be 33. And a symbol can be repeated maximum to maximum thrice. Okay, we cannot write like this, this is wrong. Okay, we cannot write I 4 times, this is wrong. Okay, we cannot write like this, we have to repeat the symbols only thrice. Next comes rule 4. Fourth rule is, if a symbol of smaller value comes in between the symbols of larger values, then its value is always subtracted from the value of the symbol immediately following it. See, अगर smaller value का symbol 2 larger values में के बीच में आ रहा है, see this example, we are having L, X, X, I, V. Here I is coming in between the symbols of 2 larger values. I जो है X और V के बीच में आ रहा है, X भी I से बड़ा है और V भी I से बड़ा है. ठीक है, in this kind of situation what we will do, we will subtract the value of smaller value from the value of symbol immediately following it. इसके बाद, बिल्कुल इसके बाद जो सिंबल आ रहा है उसमें से हम इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ना कि उससे पहले जो सिंबल आ रहा है उसमें ऐड करेंगे. ओके, हमें क्या करना है, जो स्मॉलर वैल्यू के एग्जैक्टली बाद सिंबल आ रहा है उसमें से हमें स्मॉलर सिंबल को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. अब हमारे पास है L, X, X, I, V. So what it will be? L is 50, X is 10, again X is 10. Now here I is in between X and V. So what we will do? We will subtract I from V. हमें क्या करना है, 5 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ना कि 10 के बाद आप 1 प्लस करो और फिर 5 प्लस करो. नो, ठीक है, हमें 5 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो ये हो जाएगा 74. ओके, 50 प्लस 10 इज 60, 60 प्लस 10 इज 70, एंड प्लस 4 इज 74. If we have X, L, I, X, XL means 50 minus 10 because symbol of smaller value is before the symbol of larger value. ठीक है, वो पहले आ रहा है, तो ये हो जाएगा 50 minus 10. अब जो ये I है ये L में प्लस नहीं होना, ये X से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. ओके, स्मॉलर वैल्यू का जो सिंबल है वो 2 लार्जर वैल्यूज़ के बीच में है, तो जो सिंबल उसको इमीडिएटली फॉलो करेगा हमें उसमें से इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा 10 minus 1, so it will be 40 plus 9, which is 49. Okay, so these are the rules for writing Roman numbers.